How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x00000191. In Windows Search, type wasreset.exe and press Enter. Once it's gone, Microsoft Store should restart.
If that didn't work,
Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.
After entering each command, restart your system, and your problem should be fixed.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.